In this video, we will show you how to get rid of dust mites out of your mattress once and for all. Dust mites are incredibly small insects, almost impossible to see with the naked eye, that feed on flakes of shed human skin, and they're known to live wherever there are humans. They like to live anywhere there is high humidity and a good source of food, making human mattresses and bedding the perfect spot. Dust mites are a nuisance to humans due to their likelihood of triggering year-round allergies as well as other unpleasant symptoms, such as itchiness, sneezing, wheezing, coughing, and watery eyes. So this begs the question: how do you kill dust mites in a mattress? There are several ways you can kill dust mites in a mattress. However, the most effective method is to use baking soda and a vacuum, similar to removing urine stains from a mattress. Using baking soda then vacuuming proves to be a potent weapon in the fight against dust mites. For this to work, mix a cup of baking soda with a couple of drops of an essential oil of your choice. Then sprinkle the baking soda across the entire top side of the mattress and let it sit for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes are up, vacuum up all of the baking soda from the mattress so that the dust mites are sucked away as well as the baking soda. Flip your mattress and repeat these steps for the other side. The baking soda will collect the dust mites. Therefore, the Hoover will pick up the mites much more easily. But be aware, this works best for fabric mattresses such as spring coil. Do not try this on a latex or memory foam core. It's also a good idea to lower the room's humidity to kill off dust mites. Humidity is the most important factor in determining whether a house has high levels of dust mites. This is because dust mites do not drink water like we do. They absorb moisture from the air. In areas with low humidity, like deserts, dust mites cannot survive. While this option is a bit less effective as well as possibly more expensive, it is still one way to get rid of the dust mites living amongst your mattress fibers. Dust mites require around 85% humidity to survive in your mattress, so running a dehumidifier can have a positive effect in terms of getting rid of them. When working to remove dust mites from your mattress, remember that they can also live in your sheets and pillows as well. Always wash and dry your sheets on the hot setting and replace your pillow if it is over 2 years old. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of dust mites quickly and naturally. Thanks for watching and bye for now.